In this exercise, we learn the Polygonal Lasso tool. The Polygonal Lasso tool is basically used for selection by making a straight line selection. Let's see how that will work. If I right-click on the Lasso tool, we can see the Polygonal Lasso tool underneath the Lasso tool, and we can press Shift and L to select this tool. Okay, we have a signboard image. Let's try to select this image by using the Polygonal Lasso tool. Let's zoom in to see closely by pressing the Control and plus sign. Okay, now if I left click here one time and release it, then you can see we have a straight line to draw on another location by clicking a second time. Okay, if I press and hold the Shift key, then you can see the line making a specific angle, something like that. Let's press the Delete key now to undo that point. Okay, now let's try to select this yellow sign here. Okay, if you click here and click here, and now we can see we have a round shape, but my tool is the Polygonal Lasso tool that creates straight line sections. But don't worry about it. If you press and hold the Alt key and left click and drag the mouse, you can see that we have temporarily switched this tool in the Lasso tool, and we can select the round area. Maybe it's not perfect, but I want to show you how that will work. Okay. We can also press and hold the space bar here to drag your screen. And let's click here and here. And don't worry that it's not perfect or something like that. You may make a mistake and click outside of the area that you don't want. Just press the Delete key many times and it will remove the click points. So let's complete this section. Something like that. Okay, and here we can see there's a little circle option, and that means to join the edges and make a selection. Something like that. And now Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Okay, now we see its control options. I think we have already used this option in previous exercises. It is the same option. Let's try it on your end. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the magnetic lasso tool.